friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR Pro Series MP-J4125 MiNi PC. So friend, BIOSTAR introduces a brand new lineup of pre-built workstation designed to suit many industrial and casual applications with as top the MiNi PRO Series product line. Their new MP-J4125 system brings another prominent option for user looking for a pre-built cost-efficient workstation. And it is powered by an Intel Celeron J4125 processor seated on a BIOSTAR J4125 NHU motherboard, and the new MP-J4125 system inherently delivers exceptional performance to its applied use, and comes with the support for up to 8 GB dual channel DDR4 RAM with 2400 max clock speed and integrated video that supports DX12 and 4K resolution via HDMI port. And the new MP-J4125 system is highly reliable for multiple operations and powered by 60-watt power adapter and solid fanless chassis design. The small footprint of the MiNi PRO system plus helps user to maintain a sleek, low noise workspace, and it supports SATA III 6 GB per second and M.2 M key for storage and can be configured with BIOSTAR's SSD lineup as well, an added benefit for users that want a hassle-free plug and play system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.